Small acts, big impact. Once upon a time in a quaint little town lived a young woman named Sarah. Sarah was known for her unassuming presence and her penchant for small acts of kindness that left a profound impact on those around her. One sunny morning, as Sarah strolled through the town square, she noticed an elderly man named Mr. Johnson struggling to carry a heavy bag of groceries. Without hesitation, she rushed to his side and offered to help. With a warm smile, Mr. Johnson accepted her assistance, and together they slowly made their way to his doorstep. He thanked Sarah and insisted on inviting her in for tea. As they sipped on their cups of Earl Grey, Mr. Johnson shared stories of his youth, and Sarah listened attentively. Word of Sarah's kindness spread like wildfire, and soon, more and more people in the town sought her out for assistance. Whether it was helping Mrs. Jenkins with her garden, tutoring young Timmy in math, or comforting a lonely widow named Mrs. Anderson, Sarah was always there, ready to lend a hand and a sympathetic ear. One day, Sarah noticed that the local park had fallen into disrepair. The once vibrant place where children played now resembled a forgotten corner of the town. Determined to make a difference, she organized a community cleanup. She rallied her friends, neighbors, and even strangers to join in the effort. Together, they painted benches, pruned overgrown bushes, and planted colorful flowers. The park soon transformed into a picturesque oasis, and families began to gather there once again, their laughter filling the air. Sarah's small acts of kindness and her commitment to her community didn't go unnoticed. The town decided to honor her with a Small Acts Big Impact Award. The ceremony was a heartwarming event attended by townsfolk of all ages. As Sarah accepted the award, she shared a simple yet powerful message. It's the small acts of kindness that can make the biggest impact in the lives of others and in our community. Inspired by Sarah's example, the people of the town started looking out for each other. Neighbors began checking on the elderly, children started helping with chores, and the sense of unity grew stronger with each passing day. The town's spirit was lifted, and it became a place where kindness was not just a virtue but a way of life. Years went by, and Sarah's impact continued to ripple through the town. What started as small acts of kindness had grown into a culture of compassion and community. The town flourished, and the bonds among its residents grew deeper, all thanks to one young woman who understood the profound impact of small acts of kindness. And so, in this little town, the legacy of Sarah's small acts of kindness lived on, reminding everyone that even the tiniest gestures of love and care could create a world of difference.
Learn new vocabulary in a short story. Acts, impact, quaint, unassuming, presence, penchant, kindness, profound, around, sunny, strolled, town square, elderly, struggling, carry, heavy, bag, groceries, rushed, side, offered, accepted, together, slowly, made, doorstep, insisted, sipped, attentively, spread, like, wildfire, sought, weather, tutoring, comforting, widow, lend, sympathetic, fallen, disrepair, resembled, forgotten, corner, determined, difference, organized, rallied, neighbors, strangers, join, effort, painted, benches, pruned, overgrown, bushes, planted, picturesque, oasis, gather, commitment, unnoticed, decided, honor, award, ceremony, heartwarming, attended, townsfolk, simple, powerful, message, biggest, lives, example, started, looking out, checking, chores, unity, grew, stronger, lifted, virtue, ripple, culture, compassion, flourished, understood, reminding, tiniest, create, vibrant, forgotten, determined, laughter, shared, went by, among, youth, kindness, clean up, colorful, community, continued, lend a hand, each other, passing day, left, through, even,